how to watch The Mistaken Girl all episodes for free on Kuku TV. So if you want to watch The Mistaken Girl all episodes for free on Kuku TV, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store on your device, now you need to go with the search bottom, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and then search for Kuku TV. After searching, you need to tap on it and then download or install the application. Now, after installing the application, you need to go with open, which will be on the right side. Make sure to log into your account. If you've not created an account, you can just simply go and create an account. Or if you already have an account, you can go and log into your account. Now, if you want to watch all of the episodes for The Mistaken Girl, then what you need to do is you need to go back and tap on the free trial option, which will be on the middle or bottom of your screen. And then you need to go with start free trial, and you'll be able to get unlimited access to all of the content. So go and add your payment method, and you'll have weekly payment or quarterly payment. You can also cancel anytime if you want to. Once you're done with your payment method, just simply go and watch The Mistaken Girl, all of the episodes. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.